signed and signed. This Kako recipe is signed and sealed. Sealed and signed. Charlie, I have Kako here, like Kako from Ghana. In Senegal, and I compare, then you see the skin of it. So I think this one, when it dries very, very, very well, like a dark charm, a bit dark like there. I'm coming. So with me here, I have my sharks, which is frozen. So I'm going to leave it on the counter for it to defrost very well. In fact, I bought it from the Asian shop and this was, I think, €7.99. Now, after it has defrosted, I start cutting them into smaller pieces that I want. But you can leave it like this to, continue with the next step, but then I'll advise you cut it into pieces, and all like that one will be a little fine and similar to the Kako that we buy from the shops. Now, welcome Yummy if today is the first time on this channel. Before we proceed to the next step, I would love to acknowledge whoever, in fact, the president of Kako Association, Madam exhibiting Mamish recipe. In fact, Davia or Kako, me who be that, and Kadavi the Anka dear a pele fetredechi, or no dear Kako, dear born sister Ipe. Aye. So guys, I'm going to leave a link down in the description where she made Kako. Now, she is the first person you who say why Kako on YouTube. So in fact, we have to give her the maximum respect for opening some of us our eyes that Kako can actually be done in the comfort of our homes. So after cutting it, I spread some salt on the bottom of a container and then put the Kako on it. In fact, I lined them very, very nicely, as you can see. Now, Yummy, if today is the first time on this channel, welcome. My name is Yummy Cash, and on this channel we do food related videos. So if you are interested and you love food like myself, kindly subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video whenever I upload. Now, after lining everything, I add more salt to it because we are actually curing the shark, you understand, and then close it and left it on the counter for 3 good days. So it's been 3 days now, and as you can see, there is some water in it, but don't worry, it is absolutely fine. So at this point, I'm going to take everything out from it and then put it aside. When you're taking it and when you feel it, you can feel that it is somehow hard, you understand? Yeah, I think it's because of the salt we added to it. It's absolutely okay. So after that, I'm going to put them on a tray, but before I line baking sheets on it and then arrange them on the tray. So when I was done, I pat them dry with a paper towel. This is actually not necessary to do, but then that is what I did. At this point, you can actually spray some salt on it, which the originator or the first and foremost woman did. Now, this is after 3 days of drying it. I flip it to the other side for it to also, dry. Now, from this time to the time it was fully dried, it took like, I think, more than 2 weeks or so. I am not too sure of it, but yes, it took like 2 weeks because there was no sun here. Okay, so this is the Kako from Ghana. Where ye Kako if Ghana, and Ghana way free. Ahanamo. Of course, ahanamo nam ain't yet to say Ghana nam. You understand? You look at the skin. This is the one that I just made, and this is from Ghana. You can see. And I make us a daho cha. It's definitely going to be like this. You understand? See. Once I start it, but me pon call painting to use it for my coin. Until you can see say I started here to say way into man definitely the color of it is going to be like the. Thank you for watching. Please watch these other videos and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Choose.